Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you how to create a family of lamp like this in Revit. So how to do it? Please go to File, New, Family, select Metric Generic Model, select Open, go to Family Category and Parameters. Let's find Lightning Fixtures and go to elevation front. What I want to do, or what I want to acquire, I want to create a family that has the cable and then it has the lamp itself. Okay, and I want to be able to define the height of the ceiling, and I want to be able to change the length of, or change the distance between the ceiling and the bottom of the lamp. So how to do it? Let's go to front. Let's create another reference plane. Let's say here. And let's create the first parameter called length, which will be this distance, like length of the cable and basically length of the lamp itself. So we go to family types, and you can already see that we have some parameters there, but none of them we can use now. So let's create a new parameter called length. Length. Change it to instance, hit OK. Also change default elevation to, let's say, 2.6 meters, so it's always aligned with the ceiling. And length, let's say something, I don't know, 500 millimeters or something like that. Now let's create dimension between this bottom reference plane and level. Let's change it here so the label is length. And let's create another reference plane, and let's create another parameter called, I don't know, height. Height, length, and we can keep it type. Let's say the height of the lamp itself will be, I don't know, 100 millimeters. Perfect. And now let's create a cable. So we can go to floor plan, go to create, create extrusion, just draw the circle here, create center mark, align it with the center, keep the lock option here, so like that. Select diameter dimension. We can either create a parameter here as we did all the time, or we can automatically create it here, which is the same window. Let's say cable diameter, use type. Let's say the diameter can be something like 10 millimeters, and hit OK. Go to front, make it align with this reference plane, do the same here, link it, and now let's try to create a little part of the lamp. So go to create, select revolve, let's select axis, let's draw the shape. Let's say it will be just triangle like that, like this. And let's say it will have a thickness. So let's use the offset tool. Let's say the thickness can be, I don't know, 1 centimeter, like this. Like that. Perfect. And now we can finish it. Oh, sorry. We have to make it just on one side only. So something like that. So we have the cover for the lamp. And now I think we can even create a light bulb. So let's create something really basic. So use revolve tool again. Let's select pick lines for axis line again. And let's draw something, well, I don't know, something like this, maybe. So let's try to make it simple and nice. Yeah, it could be. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. So the last thing we need to do is to assign material for this part. So let's select, let's create a new material called, rename, I don't know, let's just call it, no, we don't want to create material, but we want to create parameters. So we call it material cable, and let's keep it, I don't know, type. Do the same for this one. So let's call it, I don't know, cover, material cover, same thing, and do the same thing here. So material light bulb. Perfect. Save it. Let's call it, I don't know, lamp, and load it into project. So let's go to architectural, floor plan. Let's select lamp, just paste it there and check it in 3D. So we already have it here. So you can see the elevation from level is 2.6 meters. If we change it, let's say 2.5, it will be lower. So we want to keep it 2.6 meters. And if we want to, we can change length. So let's say we want to have it 1 meter. So, well, it's not working as I wished. So go back here, go to front. Yeah, because I forgot to assign the parameter here. So we assign parameter and the dimension here, which is height, I think. Okay, so we load it into project again. Yeah, and now it's working. So when we change it here, it's working. Perfect. And the last thing we can do is to assign some materials. So let's create a new one. Rename, let's say, cable. And let's find something like rubber. Maybe, I don't know. Rubber soft. Let's say this one. Graphics will follow the appearance. The cover, I don't know what was the, it was black. So let's create a new one. Rename, I don't know, black steel, for example. Let's create black, I don't know, black steel maybe, something like this. No. Chrome polished plastic rubber. Let's find something like stone metallic paint. Okay, so let's say glossy black. Perfect. So this one. And light bulb, I don't know, something like okay, so we can create glass. Okay, so we already have glass there, so glass white. Perfect. Perfect. So now when we look at it in 3D, where is it? We already have all the materials, so I think that's all that I wanted to show you. So I hope you learned something and see you next time.